When we were a motorized bicycle company, they said that's fine for the streets, but you'll never win a race. They said motorcycles are one thing, but you can't make cars. All right, you're a car company, but you won't win Formula One in a hybrid. You can't break a land speed record. Air. You will not conquer the air. Well, you'll never make a real truck. Or compete off-road. Yeah? But what if you can't see the road? What about when there is no road? No land? No gas? They've challenged us to do a lot of things. What will we do next? Honda, the power of dreams.